video, I'm going to show you how to add photos or in Canva. So it's very simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So let's go to this. In the left corner, you can see various options like template, elements, brand, and there's the option of upload. There's a technical on your end. So let's retry. Upload again. And here you can see various images. So in case you do not have uploaded the image, you can simply go in this option that is upload an image or video, and you can upload one from your PC or since I've already have various images, let's try this one over here. Let's simply click and there you go. This is how you add photo in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.